Hello, this is part of the vegetable that has been harvested from that small farm. This is not the first time we are harvesting from that farm. At least we have harvested now 3 times. And what you are seeing in the hands of my colleague is ewedu. This is fresh. It is organic grown. There is no inorganic chemical being used. It is purely poultry manure, which is more advantageous for you, and it's also better for you because you are not having any residue of chemicals in your body system. So, as I mentioned earlier, any space you have available in your house, even if it's going to be used buckets, it is possible for you to be growing your vegetable. I'll continue to show you more details of what we have been able to achieve in less than 3 weeks. Thank you.